4 p.m. that we climbed here on the mountains, so it wasn't that hot anymore. And you can see there that the grasses are more swaying when it's a sunny day compared to when it's cloudy day and a rainy day. Then those are the towers, like, for my opinion, if not mistaken or if I'm correct, those are the towers or the mountains of Pusay. So usually before, I climb up here around 1 p.m. or 2 p.m. in the afternoon or 11 in the morning, since it's too hot. Like, this August of this year is much more hotter compared to April of this year, so that's why I decided to climb up around 4 in the afternoon. So here it is, it's very windy here. Like, you can save a lot of electricity bill if you climb up on mountains instead of using some coolers at home or in your houses or in offices and malls. Yep, that is nature. So this is much more of a nature vlog. So it's beautiful when it's a sunny day because there's more wind on mountains compared to it's a cloudy day and rainy day. But we also need rain so that to water the plants as well. Okay, so I'll cut this video for now. Okay, another slide of this video. So here it is. So here we are doing some nature because it's very windy up on a hill or on a mountain. Like, this is much more of a very good exercise at the same time. Like, you can walk around, and this mountain is very easy to climb on or went on because you don't need to pay for a very expensive motor ride. So this is located in Shepherd Banawa Hills in Busay. Like, for example, in Zero Peak, like, you will spend around 200 pesos in climbing up there on a motor. So here it's much more free. Okay. So it's not yet the ghost month because ghost month will start on August 16 and will end on September 14. That's why I decided to climb up here. So the cemetery is just there here in Good Shepherd, and they said that the cemetery here is already expensive, like nowadays. So here's the very beautiful view of the city here. So I decided to speak in English instead of Bisaya or Tagalog. So this video can be understood in worldwide. So next time I will upload some Bisaya or Tagalog languages of me while making a video. Okay. So right now I'll cut this off for now. Think of another slide for us next time. Like, did some few research in here that kalachuchi trees can heal wounds. Like, for kalachuchi trees is that they can only be put on skin and cannot be drank or eaten because it can do some poison if it will be taken internally, like you will drink or eat it. So what kalachuchi can do for our skin is that it can make the skin smooth, and also if we have wounds, like, we can put it there so at least the wounds will just not stink in some people. So for those who have illnesses, like, I don't know if it's allowed to mention here that, for example, for diabetes patients, like, their wounds would not heal, so Kalachuchi flowers can be used for them. So it's just free here. I don't know if it's for free, like if we're allowed to pick on it, or we need to ask permission. So that's some few information about I got from Kalachuchi plants and trees. Okay, so here's the view of it. Lovely view of the city here, and there's the mall of SMC side there. Then this is the hills. Like I think this is in Tisa South Hills. This one here.